Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Telegram app freeze. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting, tap on this, scroll down here, find your apps, tap on this. You can search here Telegram. Tap on, go down, tap on storage. You can see that clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache and next tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Okay, storage cleared. Go back your home screen and go to your Play Store application. Tap on Play Store and search here Telegram. Tap on this. Your Telegram apps is last version and already update. Now go to your home screen and tap on your phone power button and now tap on restart button and restart your phone and solve your problem successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.